This vote did not pass since the majority voted no.
An influential group of outside experts advised the Food and Drug Administration today against distributing Pfizer's booster for the general population. But then a second vote, and the panel did overwhelmingly give the green light to a third shot for Americans 65 and older and people at high risk of severe COVID infection.
We do have a unanimous 18 out of 18 who voted yes for this question.
So we're recommending it currently for those 65 years and up because they're at the highest risk of severe COVID, as well as other individuals who, in the estimation of their physician, are at risk of severe COVID.
Dr. Ofer Levy is a member of the FDA Advisory Committee who met today. For people who have felt the vaccine approval process has been rushed, Dr. Levy says today's careful and transparent meeting shows the system of checks and balances works. This is seen as a blow to the Biden administration's plan. The president had set September 20th as a target rollout date for the boosters for all. But it has been controversial, many questioning who should get it first and if everyone needs a booster. Proponents have said immunity wanes 6 to 8 months after the second dose, and a booster would shore up immunity and protect against variants. But the advisory panel also raised questions in regards to myocarditis, a rare heart inflammation side effect that's been seen primarily in younger individuals who receive the vaccines.
To be clear, it wasn't like we saw a concerning safety signal. We did not. The issue was that there isn't a lot of information about the safety of the booster, for example, in young people. Vaccine responses vary by age. It's not always one size fits all.
Today's recommendation still needs to go through the CDC. They are scheduled to meet next week. The FDA advisory panel will soon take up discussion on Moderna's booster shot in the near future.
We still haven't sorted out the dosing for all of these boosters and how it should all be done.
Now, also tonight, the White House announcing that President Biden will convene a virtual conference on COVID and the international response to the pandemic. That virtual conference will take place during the UN General Assembly, which starts next week.